Hey everyone, my name is Shah, and today we're going to be talking about how much does it cost to raise kids. I'm 27 years old. I'm a full-time consultant. I make over six figures. But let's say for today's use case that we have $100,000, and let's say we have two babies. I have two twin boys, so that's the number we're going to use. Give or take, these are the numbers that I have come to. Comment below if you agree or disagree. But rent is going to cost you $1,500 to $3,000, whether that's your rent or your mortgage. And conservatively, let's just go ahead and say $2,000. Then let's talk about the food for the kids and the food for yourself. That will be another $1,000 to $2,000 right there. Comment below if you agree or disagree. So we're at 4,000 out of the 5,000. If you have a nanny, then you are going to be paying a good amount for how much time the nanny is spending with your children. But let's say you work from home and you're not paying a nanny, you're just doing several full-time jobs and you're saving that money for the kids. So you still haven't paid for diapers, you still haven't paid for toys. Oh, by the way, do you have a car? Are you leasing it? Do you have any debt you're paying off? Student loans, personal loans. Now let's just say you don't have any of those. Your four out of $5,000 is already consumed and you haven't bought diapers or toys. So it's easy to say that six figures is not that much in society, and that this channel is all about creating more money and becoming financially independent so you can have those options in your life to do what you want to do, spend time with your kids, and not sacrifice anything that you don't want to sacrifice. Do the things you love, learn a marketable skill, and put it to work. If you can't do that and you don't have the energy to do that, if you don't have the motivation, well, then you probably don't have kids. And if you do have kids, believe me, I know how hard it is. There is a huge pressure to being a father, and I'm sure there's a huge pressure to being a mother. But raising kids will be the most difficult, rewarding thing you'll ever do in your entire life. It has changed me as a man. And I just want to let you guys know that do your best and live to your potential, because you can do it. And to all those great fathers and strong families and people working hard for their kids, God bless all of you. And if you guys gained value today, go ahead and smash that like button so more people could see video like this, to see how much it would really cost to have kids. And we didn't even talk about having a dog or a cat, which we have, So if you have a dog or a cat, you're going well above that 5,000. If you're paying for your car or the nanny, you're going easily above that 5,000. So guys, try to be conservative, try to create more streams of income, invest now for your future later. Okay. I'm so happy that I started investing early. I'm only 27, so you can imagine how happy I am to have those things going. And for me, I'm a full-time consultant making over six figures, but the ultimate goal is to be financially independent, to educate people, and to give back. And for all of those people that think it's an easy get rich scheme, there really isn't an easy get rich scheme. There's luck, and then there's luck created by hard work. And that's why we're here today. All right. So to all of you working your butts off, making sure your kids have the best of everything, because that's how I am. We're all here to make generational wealth, not just for us, but for the next 10 generations. I want my two twin boys to be able to do whatever they want. So when it comes to getting them things, I want the best of the best, if there is a rational, good reason behind it. So to all of you being great parents, seriously, kudos to you. We didn't even talk about the bassinet costs, all right? You can go on and on. And when you have kids, you love them so much, you start buying other things. So really start to figure out, what does your life look like? How much are you making? Is your significant other making any money on the side? Like, are your children in good health? Like, that's first, knock on wood. My kids are two healthy 8-month-year-old boys, and I couldn't ask for anything else. So, guys, thank you so much for your time. Nothing's more valuable than your time except your money. I hope you found this valuable. I'll see you next time.